Arvada German Garage I started 11 years ago just to give customers a different view of how cars should be worked on at affordable price with honesty. I've been working on cars for 35 years. Love the German cars, love fast cars. This is how it started, and we're constantly just growing. And we do oil changes, tune-ups, major service, major engine repairs, pretty much everything you could think of on the car, and to get it back on the road so the customers could, do their trips or go to work and trust their vehicle, get in there. Customers come in, we get to know them personally, build that relationship with them, talk about their vehicle, sign them in, we get them a courtesy ride back to home or work if needed. Cars be signed to a certain technician, and usually go to the same technician as long when that car is here. It doesn't go bounce around to different technicians, so that technician gets to know that car. We do have snacks, coffee, we do have free Wi-Fi here as for the customers. All of our technicians are factory trained through WorldPack. We do offer 2 years, 24,000 mile warranty on the cars. I think that the customers we have, the employees we have, they've been here for years. We have 2 employees that have been here 39 years at this location. And we all love working on these cars and working with our customers, the great customers we have. Just seeing their response when they pick up their car, they got an affordable price, done right, done correctly. You build a relationship there. It's just not their car, because it's a friendship with the customer, and then we get to understand their vehicle and their needs. For more information, visit our website, arvadagermangarage.com. Mention that you saw this video and get 25% off your first service.